Hi, this is Nathalie from LineDotArrow from the Netherlands, and I'm here to spin for the LDA Group Ambassador. There are a few ladies who wanted to be one, and they applied. Well, they commented on my call out in the Facebook group, and what it means is basically you are acting like a design team member, but your platform, sorry, I want to speak Dutch. Your platform is going to be the Facebook group mainly. If you have a YouTube channel, if you have an Instagram account, if you are on Pinterest or on TikTok or any other multimedia platform we can think of, you are more than welcome to share your sort of guest design team member over there. And the rules are basically you are going to be a guest design team member for the next month, working with the same kit the design team members from Line.Arrow are working with, doing the same things, not the same creative things, but using links to the shop and everything. But mostly, if you are posting in the Facebook group, of course, you don't need to link the kits and everything because everybody knows what the kits are. But it's basically showing off your art, your skills, your work. And if you do have a YouTube channel or Instagram account and you get more followers or more subscribers, that's even better. That's awesome. That is, I do wish everybody that has a channel or is on Instagram is going to gain more followers or subbies. But the main thing is use the Facebook group as your platform. You can do pictures, you can do videos, and you don't have to post every day, of course. But yeah, if you want to show off your work, you can you can post even multiple times a day. And I said I was going to spin once for one group ambassador, but I was thinking, well, it's almost Valentine's Day, so maybe I'm going to spin twice. So we have two group ambassadors next month. Yeah, I'm going to spin the wheel. And if your name pops up, you are going to be a group ambassador. And then I'm going to remove your name and I'm going to spin a second time for the second group ambassador. And I set it on very long spinning because I thought I was only going to spin once. So we have to wait for about 50 seconds before you see a name pop up. Yeah, it's very exciting. I'm not even doing it, but I'm very thrilled to see who is going to win. Um, it's still moving slowly. Sandra Hanko, I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing your name the right way. I'm sorry if I do it the wrong way. But Sandra, you won. Congratulations. So you are going to be the group ambassador in February. I'm going to remove you. And here she goes. And just wait until she's removed. And now I'm going to spin a second time for the second winner. Here we go. Oh, no, it's still moving. And the second group ambassador is Carolyn Freeman. So congratulations to both of you. Please contact me via Messenger, or if that doesn't work, and because sometimes you have to how do you say that? I'm not seeing your Messenger app straight away. If we never contacted before, I have to agree that you are going to send me a message. And that's not that I don't like you, but I receive a lot of spam messages every day by people I don't even know. So that's why I'm a little bit careful lately to see who can or can't send me a message. But I will see that you try to do that, and then I have to agree. So, but if it doesn't work, also you can comment in the Facebook group, of course. Yeah, this is it for now. Thanks everybody for joining in, and for everybody to be on the wheel. Was a very nice response from everyone. And yeah, I hope it will be fun. And I am going to do the flip through of the kits actually that we are going to be working with in February. I'm not sure if it's going to be today, but the theme is shabby. We're going to shabby your art instead of grunge your art in February. And yeah, I hope to do it today. If it's not today, I will do it tomorrow, but I'm quite busy. I also have an unpacking video to do. I received some really gorgeous goodies, so I wanted to show you on video. But yeah, thanks everyone for watching. Stay safe, stay creative, and I hope to see you the next time. Bye bye. Bye.